Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change all text to uppercase in publisher. So let's started. At first, open your publisher document. In this video, I will show change all text to uppercase. Now firstly, select from text. Now select from all text. Now go into the home menu option, then click for a change case option. Now for click, then click for a all caps. That is. Then you show all text is uppercase. Then again the text uppercase. Now select from a all text. Now keyboard press from Control A. Now go into the home menu option. Then click for a change case option. Now click for all caps. That is. Then you show change all text to uppercase in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.